is like the most boring backdrop ever. What is this? Maybe this will do better. Okay guys, this is the backdrop I have to work with. I usually sit up on my outdoor furniture, but it's soaked from rain. I am Kate, and welcome back to Heart and Gardening, or Heart and Gardening and Home. I am in the process of trying to, I changed my Instagram handle, and so I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing with this channel. Probably changing it. I just filmed a whole summer series using Heart and Gardening, so I don't know what to do exactly yet, but here I am, and I am back with a seed haul. I know I have been away for a long time. I haven't been able to give you guys much, and then I come back with a seed haul. I'm sorry. My apologies. Seriously, I'm sorry. If you're not interested in another seed haul, I'll see you on the next video, and I totally understand. But if you are a seedaholic like I am, here we go. Okay, these seeds are, of course, from MI Gardener. We all know that that's where I get the majority of my seeds from. I've been buying them. The reason I've been doing so many seed hauls is because I've just been buying as things have came back into stock, because I feel like there will be a big seed shortage next year. I think I've said that in the past videos. I still feel it. Could be totally wrong, but I'm just making sure I get the things I need, the things I want now, before I try in, January, February, and there's nothing. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. And this seed haul does contain a good amount of flowers. Flowers are something I started integrating into my garden this year, and am wanting to expand it even more next year. So we do have a lot of flowers to go through. Sorry. Don't even remember ordering some of these. Okay, so the first little bunch we're going to go through, and notice that I'm not really sure why MI Gardener changed the look of the flowers. It seems like the majority of the flowers don't have the big MI Gardener at the top. So I don't know if that's like their new look for this year, or what, because a couple of the flowers do have the big MI Gardener at the top, but that might be them phasing out the old envelopes. So this might just be what they're doing with their new one. So these first flowers are snapdragons, which I've never grown before, and I went ahead and did 3 colors: white snowflake, apple blossom, which is like a peach color, I guess, and then rose. And so I'm hoping to do a lot of bouquets this year, and maybe even market some, and so that's a big reason for so many flowers. And then I did a couple straw flowers, which are ideal, it says for dried or fresh cut arrangements. Again, that's what I'm going for. So we have the silvery rose straw flower, the purple red, looks black on the package, and then the copper red. And I've never grown straw flowers before. Well, basically I haven't grown that many flowers. This year we did zinnias. I just got my first cosmos to bloom here in almost mid-October, and then so zinnias, then we had some vincas and some other flowers that I had bought from nurseries and Lowe's. But zinnias and cosmos from seed were really the first time. I mean, I've done we had sunflowers. I've done sunflowers in the past, but the zinnias were really probably my favorite thing this year, flower-wise. Okay, and then we have celosia, which my husband actually bought me some of these for either my birthday or Mother's Day, and they died with a quickness, an absolute quickness this year. So I'm happy, sorry fly, to try these from seed. They make me nervous. They might be hard to grow. I have a meadow wildflower mix, flies. Purple cone flowers. This is Salipiglosis. I don't know how to say that. You try and say that. Sounds like Pig Latin almost. Royal. This is a mix. Whatever. See, I don't even know why I bought this or remember buying this and putting this in my cart. Salipiglosis. Compact bushes bursting with 3-inch heads of smoky red and mahogany petals. Plants will grow 12 to 16 feet. Not feet. Inches tall. A vigorous producer in cool temperatures. Maybe I could have planted that sooner. And then anise, which now I'm feeling like might actually be a weed, and I might not be able to use that in arrangements. I don't know. Then I did a white carnation. I feel like I got another carnation, so I don't know if I am missing some seeds. And then I'm super excited about this is the Bells of Ireland for some greenery. I think that would be really pretty in bouquets. Alright, and then just a few more things not flowering related. I feel like I had another carnation, but it probably got thrown somewhere in my room. So not flower wise, I'm not sure if I got these on the last order or not. So these are the cherry bell radish. So if you watched my last seed haul, maybe they were on there. I don't feel like they were, but by accident I'm repeating this, sorry. Cherry bell radish. I am a big radish lover, so I like trying all the radishes. And then the Black Beauty eggplant, which is just your classic eggplant. I grew, what was it called this year? I can't remember. They were just the purple ones that were a little bit longer, I guess. So not your classic. So I'm excited about this. My eggplants didn't do too great this year, so I'll have to put a lot more effort and research into them next year. Red burgundy okra, which I'm super excited about. I do a lot of Clemson spineless and have for 4 or 5 years, so this will be the first time really trying a different kind of okra. Leeks, I am intrigued and would like to try them. I feel like this is kind of a harder one that people have some trouble with, so we'll see. And then Long Island Brussels sprout, Long Island Brussels sprouts. Honestly, I can't remember the last time I've eaten a Brussels sprout. I'm really bad about just wanting to grow everything. Show of hands, anybody else? But yes, I feel like I will like Brussels sprouts, so especially if they're homegrown, because I don't really like peas, but I love homegrown peas. And so this is a new one I'm excited about. The only one I've grown so far the last like 2 seasons is the blue shelling pea, and so this is the spring blush. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that beautiful? Look. They're so pretty. So I'm really excited to try these. I could have probably put these in this fall season, but I'm just gonna give myself something to look forward to in the spring. Alright guys, that's it for today. Another seed haul. I'm sorry that my content has been lacking. I do have something super exciting for you guys. I'm just trying to wait. It's a summer series that I'm trying to wait until we start getting those winter blues to release, and it'll be like 8-ish videos, all to do with something fun that we all love that took place in the summer, and it'll just help with our winter blues. So if I'm struggling with content right now, but just give me a chance. I've been busy. I've been busy, and we've been doing the coop with the chickens and all that stuff. Oh, I'd like to do a video on the coop soon as well, so just be patient, and hopefully I can get some new stuff out. I always enjoy seed hauls, so I hope some of you are as well. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see the summer series that I have coming. It'll be good, trust me. I'm excited about it. But I'll see you guys later.